That's fantastic. I know with my chiropractor, he has that spinal image that you can see, and you can see where you're pulling to the left, pulling to the right. I don't know if that's old or new technology or something that you use as well, but it is nice to see if you're aligned or not after you're done.
Yeah, we do something a little bit different because that, while that's very helpful, that's very more symptomatic. So we want to look
Mhm.
at, okay, what's causing those muscles to pull this way? And we look at things like the gating mechanism and how long things have been there. So we look at all these different things, and everyone's going to be so different. So it's really
Yeah.
all about making sure we can track it, because we might need to change someone's treatment after a week versus someone else maybe after a month.
So how do you tie in your marketing to how you get patients in the office? Is that a big part of how you generate new patients coming in? Tell us a little bit about your marketing.
Yeah, so we do things that are a little bit different than a lot of other chiros. Really big on trying to get my name and brand out there, really through clinical excellence. So first thing I've done is gone through and made sure that I have extra credentials and qualifications that set me apart. So this way I can be an expert in the
Hmm.
field. And then also make sure we connect with also other local businesses that are in the area. We're really big on doing that, especially when COVID was going on. Some of the smaller ones that really got hit hard with shutdowns and things like that. So working with them to help push them up. So I even started a podcast that would go around town, and we would talk with those individuals and businesses and help promote them as well. So really just, it's about working with others, letting them see what you do, and then from there getting referrals. And that's really been our kind of our basis.